For anyone working with heavy-duty diesel engines, few components are as critical as the fuel injection pump. Today we're exploring a replacement pump compatible with Cummins engines, including K19, KTA19, KTA19GC, and NT855, specifically the units with part numbers 4,061,206 and 3,021,961. Designed for excavators, industrial machinery, and other high-performance applications, this pump is engineered to deliver precise fuel timing, improve engine reliability, and maintain optimal performance under demanding conditions. The fuel injection pump is the heart of the diesel engine's fuel system. Its job is to deliver fuel at the correct pressure and timing into each cylinder for efficient combustion. Any deviation in this process can lead to reduced engine power, higher fuel consumption, increased emissions, or even engine failure. This is why using a high-quality, compatible replacement pump is essential, especially in engines designed for heavy workloads like the K19 or NT855. What stands out immediately is the build quality. Precision engineering ensures that this pump can withstand the high pressures and rigorous cycles typical of heavy-duty engines. The internal components are hardened to resist wear and erosion, while the exterior casting and machining guarantee long-term durability. This isn't a low-grade aftermarket product, it's a replacement designed to meet OEM specifications, which means it can be installed without modification and performs as intended from day one. Performance is where this pump really shines. It maintains accurate fuel delivery and timing, directly impacting engine efficiency and power output. Proper fuel timing ensures smooth combustion, preventing overfueling that causes smoke and wasted fuel, or underfueling that reduces torque and engine responsiveness. Engines like the KTA19 and NT855 rely on this precision to handle heavy loads consistently, and a compatible, well-calibrated pump ensures that the engine continues to operate efficiently under all conditions. Compatibility is a critical factor. Some aftermarket pumps require adjustments or modifications, which can lead to inconsistent performance or engine issues. This replacement pump is engineered to fit K19, KTA19, KTA19GC, and NT855 engines seamlessly. That means operators and mechanics can install it directly, reducing downtime and avoiding potential performance problems. For fleet managers and construction operators, having a replacement that fits perfectly is a major advantage in maintaining operational efficiency. Durability is another major consideration. Diesel engines generate extreme pressures in the fuel system, which can wear down pumps over time. This pump is designed with wear-resistant materials, ensuring long-term reliability and fewer rebuilds. High-pressure components, combined with precision machining, allow the pump to maintain consistent performance even after extended use in demanding environments. This translates to lower maintenance costs and longer engine life, making it a smart investment for anyone managing heavy machinery. Maintenance and serviceability are straightforward. Since this pump adheres to OEM specifications, it integrates seamlessly with existing maintenance schedules. Mechanics familiar with Cummins engines will find it easy to service or rebuild the pump if necessary. Accessibility to replacement parts, rebuild kits, and technical support simplifies long-term maintenance, reducing potential downtime and helping machines stay operational. From a cost perspective, this pump offers a balance between affordability and reliability. While genuine OEM parts are often expensive, this compatible unit provides nearly identical performance at a more accessible price. It's a practical choice for operators who want to maintain engine reliability without incurring unnecessary costs, making it ideal for contractors, industrial users, and fleet operators who need dependable performance. The impact on engine performance cannot be overstated. The pump ensures that fuel delivery is consistent and precisely timed, which affects not only power output but also emissions. Accurate injection prevents overfueling and smoke, improving efficiency and protecting the engine. Heavy-duty engines like K19 and NT855 are designed for high performance, and using a compatible, well-engineered pump preserves that performance over the long term. This pump is also essential for preventative maintenance. Replacing a worn or aging fuel injection pump before it fails can prevent sudden downtime and costly repairs. Installing this unit restores proper fuel delivery and engine responsiveness, effectively extending the life of the engine and maintaining productivity. It's a small investment that can save significant